Creating a website with web.com is a straightforward process that doesn't require advanced technical skills. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Sign up and choose a plan. Visit web.com and create an account. Select a website builder plan that suits your needs, considering features like e-commerce capabilities and marketing tools. Select a domain name. During the setup, choose a unique domain name that reflects your brand or personal identity. Access the website builder. Log into your web.com account and navigate to the website builder tool. Choose from a variety of pre-designed templates tailored to different industries and styles. Customize your website. Use a drag-and-drop interface to add and arrange elements such as text, images, videos, and contact forms. Modify colors, fonts, and layouts to align with your brand identity. Add functionality. Incorporate features like blogs, e-commerce sections, or appointment scheduling to enhance user engagement. Optimize for search engines. Utilize web.com's SEO tools to improve your site's visibility on search engines, helping attract more visitors. Preview and publish. Before going live, preview your website to ensure it appears as intended across different devices. Once satisfied, publish your site to make it accessible to the public. Maintain and update. Regularly update your content to keep your audience engaged. Use web.com's analytics tools to monitor site performance and make informed improvements.